Hello guys, welcome back once again. Here I simplify physics and make problem solving very easy, okay? So if you're ready to understand physics instead of memorizing it, let's begin, okay? Stay focused. Let's go there. Now, in this circuit, this aspect, these two and these two ohms, they are in parallel. First of all, let me name my resistance. Let me name it from this side. The naming doesn't matter. This is my R1, this is my R2, this is my R3, and this is my R4. Okay. Now, my R1 and R2, they are in parallel. So I will solve this parallel aspect first, like this. So R1, which is parallel to R2, okay, the total resistance in parallel circuit is given as what? 1 over Rp, let me put it R parallel, okay, that's the total resistance equal to the resistance I have in parallel are with R1 and R2, 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. If I have more than 2, I will continue, okay? So what I'm going to have is 1 over Rp, that is R parallel, is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So if you do this, okay, very simple fraction we are going to solve here. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, this is going to give me 2 over 2, okay? Just find the LCM, which is the same thing as 2, and in a very simple way, if the denominator are the same, you go with 1, then you add the numerator. So I'm going to have 1 over 1, right? So my R parallel, that is Rp, is equal to 1 over 1. Okay, now it is Rp I'm looking for, not 1 over Rp. So I will cross multiply. This is principle I want you to learn, okay? Not numbers, okay? So whenever you have a circuit that you don't have similar resistance, you should know that the principle is when you come here, you find the LCM. So after this point here, I'm going to cross multiply. So Rp times 1 is the same thing as Rp equal to 1 times 1 is 1. So I have at the parallel aspect is 1 ohm. Okay, so my circuit is going to be like this. Let me just redraw it in a very simple way like this. Now, if you notice that my new circuit, everything is in what? It's in series. So I'm going to apply the principle of resistance in series to find the total resistance now. Okay, so what I'm going to have is my R total now, which is in series, is going to be, what I have here is Rp plus R3 and R4. R3 plus R4. This is the principle of resistance in series. Is just the summation of the individual resistance, right? So what I have is R total, which is the resultant resistance. I'm going to have my Rp, which is 1 ohm, plus my R3 is 3 ohms, plus my R4 is 4 ohms. Okay, so if I calculate this plus this will give me 4, and this will give me 8. So my R total is equal to 8 ohms. Okay, let's see, very simple and interesting. Okay, yeah, so you can have a circuit more complicated than this. Okay, just stay with the principle of a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Okay, don't forget to like the video, okay, share the video, and also subscribe and follow. Okay, bye.